Omswar Chatterjee, Head of the Department of Political Science, Dr. Kanhailal Bhattacharya College, for delivered the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor and privilege to deliver this vote of thanks on behalf of Department of Political Science, Dr. Kanhailal Bhattacharya College, and also the organizing committee at the conclusion of this inspiring and enriching session. I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Parthasarathi Adhikari, President, Governing Body, and our Principal, Dr. Kaustubh Lahiri, for gracing us with your presence and for your encouraging words that truly set the tone for this event. I thank our distinguished speaker, Professor Dwaipayal Bhattacharya, Center for Political Studies, JNU, for inaugurating this conference and delivering the keynote address. Your knowledge, insights and perspectives have not only enlightened us but also opened up a new avenues for thought. I also welcome Professor Parthapratim Basu, Jadavpur University, present among us as our resource person for the next session. I would also like to acknowledge the organizing committee, Professor Bimal Shankar Nando, President of WPSA, Professor Apurva Mukul Mukhopadhyay, Secretary, WPSA, and other executive committee members for giving us the opportunity to host this conference in our institution. A big thank you goes to all our participants, researchers, students, academicians, and professionals who have joined us from different states, my colleagues from various departments. Thank you for making time out of your busy schedules and joining us with such enthusiasm. I also thank our technical and support staff, Nimkron Porto, Orpon Mollik, Tulika, Abdur Shuraj, Unupam, our food partner Rana Bose, for their tireless efforts behind the scenes. From coordination to communication, logistics to technical support, this seminar would not have been possible without your dedication. A special mention goes to my colleague and co-convener, Professor Sheikh Saddam Hussain, for working relentlessly from conceptualizing this conference, Professor Manjur Alam Mollik for conducting this seminar and maintaining the time frame, Professor Idura Bhattacharya and Professor Swarnali Korati for their continuous support. Last but not the least, I thank my dear students whose support played a crucial role in making this conference a success. Thank you once again, and we hope to see you in our next session.
আমাদের উদ্বোধনী যে অনুষ্ঠানটা সেটা আমাদের এখানে সমাপ্ত হলো। আমরা আপনারা দেখেছেন বা জানেন অনেকেই যে গত 7ই মে আমাদের সংগঠনের প্রাক্তন সভাপতি এবং আমাদের যে জার্নাল ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল পলিটিক্যাল সায়েন্স রিভিউ তার সম্পাদক প্রফেসর গৌতম কুমার বসু প্রয়াত হন। আমরা গৌতম কুমার বসুর স্মরণে একটা স্মারক বক্তৃতার আয়োজন করেছি। সেই স্মারক বক্তৃতা প্রদান করবেন যাদবপুর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের আন্তর্জাতিক সম্পর্ক বিভাগের সর্বজন শ্রদ্ধেয় অধ্যাপক পার্থপ্রতিম বসু। কাজেই আমরা সময় নষ্ট না করে সেই মেমোরিয়াল লেকচারটা এখন শুরু হবে।
Please come, Professor Parthapratim Basu sir of Jadavpur University on the dais to deliver the Professor Gautam Kumar Basu Memorial Lecture. Before starting this program, I called our student Haifina Sheikh to come forward and felicitate Professor Basu.